In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all unread emails in Gmail efficiently. If you're anything like me, you know how quickly those unread emails can pile up, and sometimes you just need a fresh start. So let's dive right in and simplify your email management. First, you'll want to open your Gmail account by heading over to your computer or device. Make sure you're logged in so that we can move forward smoothly. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the primary inbox page where you can view your emails. Now, to ensure we're only focusing on the unread ones, direct your attention to the search bar located at the top of the page. Click inside the search bar and type in the code ISUNREAD, which will effectively filter all emails that you haven't opened yet. Hit enter, and your inbox will refresh, showing only the unread messages. Next, you'll want to select all these emails. Look for a small checkbox located at the top left corner of your email list, right next to the Compose button. Click on this checkbox to select all the emails on the current page. If you have a vast number of unread emails, there might be more messages than what's currently displayed. No worries, Gmail has a nifty feature for this. You'll see a small message popping up across the top of your email list that says, "All 50 conversations on this page are selected." Next to that message, you'll find a link that says, "Select all conversations that match this search." Go ahead and click that link, and you'll select every single unread email matching your filter, no matter how many pages of them you might have. With all your unread emails selected, our next step is to move them to the trash. Locate the trash icon. It looks like a little trash bin and is readily found in the toolbar above your conversations. Click on it to delete all selected emails. Gmail will ask you to confirm your action, warning you that this cannot be undone. If you're ready to proceed and you're sure you won't need any of those emails, click OK to confirm. Your emails will now be moved to the trash. Keep in mind, while they are in the trash bin, they will remain there for 30 days before being permanently deleted. This allows you a grace period just in case you need to recover any important information you mistakenly deleted. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to manage your Gmail inbox and find some digital peace. I hope this guide helped make your email management a little easier. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.